Salve discipuli, this is McGeester Buddy with the Stage 34 assignment, Quid perficiabatur heri, perficitur hodiē, et perficiatur crās. This means what was accomplished yesterday is being accomplished today and will be accomplished tomorrow. So we are going to practice using the passive endings, which will also get us to use the deponent endings as well. All right, so let's look at what our goal is. This is very similar to an activity we did in the previous stage. So the first one is going to talk about heri, or yesterday. The second one, hodiē, today. The third one, crās, tomorrow. I want to point out where your points are going to come from. 7 out of the 20 points are going to be for using 2 current Stage 34 vocab words and bolding them in each sentence. So here I have vestimenta and auctora, loquor and dum, tenebrae and regredientur. I recommend that you have several resources open while you're doing this. One of them is the vocab checklist. So you can make sure that you have 2 different vocab words in each sentence. Another 7 points are going to come from using the passive or deponent endings and the correct tense. So notice I have bontur here for my verb, I have atur here for this verb, and entur here for this verb. Another tool that you can have open is your, oh boy, where did it go? I had it open. Your verb charts. So you can have your verb charts open. All of your passive and deponent endings are here on the 3rd page, specifically the futures for both the 1st and 2nd conjugation and the 3rd and 4th conjugation are here, so that you can make sure that you are using the correct voice. All right, let me get back over to our slides. All right, so what else? 3 points for your translation. So make sure that you have your translations down here in the notes section. Notice that I also have the vocab words in bold. And then you have 3 points for the images. So make sure you have images that accurately illustrate your sentences. I just want to quickly show you the resources. You can see here I was looking up the word dine. This is a word that I used in one of my sentences. I also have open the dictionary here on Cambridge. I knew that I wanted to use the word where, and I knew that it started with the GER, but I wasn't sure about the rest of it, so I looked it up there. I also have open the online dictionary so that I can look up words. This is the verb that I used for the title slide, which means to complete or carry out. So what was completed yesterday, what is being completed today, and what will be completed tomorrow. So find the slide with your name on it, fill it out, and have fun. Hodiē.